there was certain expectation from this course from me initially. So I thought it will be all about project program management and all. But the course was well designed, like it was very holistic. So it's not like you'll be focusing on one aspect. So initially, I mean, it will be like a one-dimensional improvement. I thought I'll see in myself, but it is multi-dimensional, uh, and it is like it's complete. In that way, it's complete. And again, it's a relearning and unlearning also. So we had some bad habits and bad statements, which thank you so much for correcting us, and relearning in a better way, because some of our kids, their opinions are also very refreshing and latest. So that way they made me better. And the interview thing, I think it was a surprise for me. So I didn't expect this. It's an important obstacle to cross, and your insights are invaluable and priceless. So I think we'll give some matured answer in whatever opportunity that shows up next time. So thank you so much for that, and uh, I appreciate your enthusiasm for for 2 days. Keeping us engaged is not an easy thing. So you did a great job. So making us participate and making us better. So thank you so much for all this.
From my side, it's very interactive, and also there was a lot of information, very tactically and very goodly presented within span of 2 days. That's what I would say. Means like say the whole process you were able to cover in 2 days. Means like say with good information and all those. And on top of it, as Vijay said, there was this last how to approach interviews. Generally, even if you go to any other course or something, there will not be much focus on these areas, giving some tips, asking us to try what we say, and getting feedback from all of us. That was also very great. In fact, and also your experience and the other people who are working with, like say, 15 to 20 years of experiences were valuable to the whole team, actually. Definitely, this was a very good and a great course to do. And in fact, no, generally, any other course, I used to feel like, it's already 5, 6 or something. So yesterday we went till 8, and today it is almost 7. So I was not feeling that bonus or something. So what next? What next is coming? That interest you are able to create. Seriously, that's what from my side.
Sure.
Thanks, Sandeep. Thanks for a valuable the course, actually, and your inputs and all those will really add value to us.
Basically, I agree with that. I basically echo the same feeling that what Pawan and Vijay said. So I will not repeat the same thing, but I echo the same feeling. Sandeep, that was a great course. And first, I thought it was sitting for 8 or 9 hours at this age was difficult for me, but that really did happen, and I was able to sit for the whole course duration without sleeping. So that was a wonderful exercise, and this was very interactive actually. It was not a theoretical but interactive session which kept us awake, and we learned a lot of things. Now this is, I believe, is a start of the journey, because we all are looking for a change. We all are basically in some other institution where we are looking for a change. So I think this is a journey started, and I think with your guidance and support, I think this will go further, and we will be able to achieve our goals.
Sure. Thanks, Suresh.
So thank you for all your hard work and for a wonderful session.
I really enjoyed the training program for 2 days. It just went 2 days like that. Even during this corona situation, I really feeling very bored at home for 2 days. Now, with this program, really enjoyed with all the team members, and really, I cannot imagine just like that it's completed 2 days. Moreover, I learned many things. Top of that, I know many things, but which I don't know how to articulate. First of all, so I learned this especially. Also, I learned this how to project and how to demonstrate it. This. Thanks a lot, Sandeep. Really.
Thanks,
Even thanks
actually.
to team. All the team members are very active, and they are given valuable feedback to me. Thank you so much for that. Yeah.
I have actually heard of things, couple of things which we have gone through, but the way you brushed it up, I'm not talking about the new things. I'm talking about the things which I was aware. I think maybe the way you have brushed it up, I am kind of happy. Uh, I don't know why. Maybe I mean, maybe the way you have taught it. But to be very honest, those who have taught me earlier also were very good. I don't mean to disrespect, them. But somehow, maybe, and yeah, there were a couple of things because of my experience, I was able to correlate as well. And the examples which you provided were also, very supportive. Team, the gentlemen, I mean, the participants, which we had, I think it was really great gesture from everyone. Everyone actually participated. So, I actually tried learning from people. And yeah, I hope, we help each other, we all help each other. Now that the training has been done, S for something, T for training right now, A for something, R is result. So all of us, best of luck to all of you and to me as well. Yeah, let's share that positive results.
Thank you, Sandeep. First of all, for sharing your valuable information, precious time, especially for this month and last weekend. Okay, and yes, the PowerPoint, whatever you said, it's really valuable. And just preparing for some interviews for behavioral and technical levels and whatever the program manager is going to do. Yeah, for me, like I'm satisfied with your whatever you are telling and with your questions and answers, and as well as all the entire in 2 days, almost like a 10 plus 10, 9 hours and 18 hours, it will be study from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And it's like it's a useful information. Whatever you said is a useful information, and really it will be. Thanks for sharing the information.
I mean, yes, I echo the same, and I did mention, yeah, it was really fruitful. I mean, now the only action is upon us to practice it, get it polished, and bring results. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, Sandeep, for me, the interview questions whichever you have made as polished, so that stands out.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, other aspects are also very deep and very you put it in an interesting fashion, but this one stands out. So yeah, that's fun.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, this interview questions and a disc process also for me. This is all like I could see like it's a unique, and the way you have explained is really very useful.
Okay.
I think two questions. The first question which you just asked, which is the one thing, that is a very difficult thing, and obviously, is a challenging moment. And the second thing is the templates. I think when we went through the template, an entire journey of program managers' day-to-day role got uncovered. So I think that was a little bit, something which was really good. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, even for me, the templates and all those, which so it gave us a real feeling and experience of how to use them. Okay, and the last interviews where we are able to tell our answers and get feedbacks from experienced guys like you is really helpful.
For me, actually, because I have already worked on the software service industry, I've never worked on the product industry. So this was a little bit eye-opener kind of a thing, that how the product industry works, because I have worked for a product for a customer, but not on a product industry. So I've learned some of the techniques at how the product industry works. I have used a lot of templates, lot of theories that has been discussed in program management, but I really appreciate the PI model and the Flexi model, which I heard for the first time.
Okay, so whatever you thought about where are you from 10 years from now or 5 years from now,